Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Present simple. Interrogative sentences. Do you?
Los verbos auxiliares do y das se colocan antes del sujeto. Se usa das para he, she y te.
Structure. Auxiliary verb. Plus. Subject. Plus. Verb. Plus. Complement. Plus. Closing question mark. Examples. Do you often ride a bike?
Do you often ride a bike?
Do you often ride a bike?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Do you play the guitar?
Do you play the guitar?
Do you play the guitar?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Does she live in the city?
Does she live in the city?
Does she live in the city?
No, she lives in the countryside.
No, she lives in the countryside.
No, she lives in the countryside.
Does he work on Sundays?
Does he work on Sundays?
Does he work on Sundays?
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't.
Do they speak Rusian?
Do they speak Rusian?
Do they speak Rusian?
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Do you have kittens at home?
Do you have kittens at home?
Do you have kittens at home?
Yes, just one.
Yes, just one.
Yes, just one.
Do you like vegetarian food?
Do you like vegetarian food?
Do you like vegetarian food?
Yes, just a little.
Yes, just a little.
Yes, just a little.
Do your friends live near here?
Do your friends live near here?
Do your friends live near here?
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Does it rain a lot here?
Does it rain a lot here?
Does it rain a lot here?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live near here.
I live near here.
I live near here.
How often do you wash your car?
How often do you wash your car?
How often do you wash your car?
I wash it often.
I wash it often.
I wash it often.
How much does this dress cost?
How much does this dress cost?
How much does this dress cost?
Not much.
Not much.
Not much.
What do you usually do at weekends?
What do you usually do at weekends?
What do you usually do at weekends?
I clean my house.
I clean my house.
I clean my house.
What does he do in the office?
What does he do in the office?
What does he do in the office?
He is an accountant.
He is an accountant.
He is an accountant.
Do you like music?
Do you like music?
Do you like music?
Yes, a lot.
Yes, a lot.
Yes, a lot.
Does he work hard?
Does he work hard?
Does he work hard?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Does she enjoy her job?
Does she enjoy her job?
Does she enjoy her job?
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
What subject does this teacher teach?
What subject does this teacher teach?
What subject does this teacher teach?
He teaches mathematics.
He teaches mathematics.
He teaches mathematics.
Do you live with your parents?
Do you live with your parents?
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Do you have a girlfriend?
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
Do you eat fruit?
Do you eat fruit?
Do you eat fruit?
Yes, quite a lot.
Yes, quite a lot.
Yes, quite a lot.
Do you drink beer?
Do you drink beer?
Do you drink beer?
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
Do you like soda?
Do you like soda?
Do you like soda?
Yes, a lot.
Yes, a lot.
Yes, a lot.
Do you understand what I mean?
Do you understand what I mean?
Do you understand what I mean?
Not much.
Not much.
Not much.
Don't you look very happy?
Don't you look very happy?
Don't you look very happy?
That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
What do you think of my idea?
What do you think of my idea?
What do you think of my idea?
Really very good.
Really very good.
Really very good.
Do you see that man over there?
Do you see that man over there?
Do you see that man over there?
Yes, I see him.
Yes, I see him.
Yes, I see him.
How do you feel now?
How do you feel now?
How do you feel now?
I feel great.
I feel great.
I feel great.
Do you play tennis?
Do you play tennis?
Do you play tennis?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Do they have a lot of money?
Do they have a lot of money?
Do they have a lot of money?
Yes, enough.
Yes, enough.
Yes, enough.
Do you play any sports?
Do you play any sports?
Do you play any sports?
Yes, athletics.
Yes, athletics.
Yes, athletics.
What time do you go to sleep?
What time do you go to sleep?
What time do you go to sleep?
Very late.
Very late.
Very late.
What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read books.
I like to read books.
I like to read books.
Does she work in a big building?
Does she work in a big building?
Does she work in a big building?
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
Does he treat people well?
Does he treat people well?
Does he treat people well?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Does she master her job?
Does she master her job?
Does she master her job?
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
Do they speak English fluently?
Do they speak English fluently?
Do they speak English fluently?
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Do we love life?
Do we love life?
Do we love life?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
I love you very much.
I love you very much.
I love you very much.
Do you know that girl?
Do you know that girl?
Do you know that girl?
Yes, she is my sister.
Yes, she is my sister.
Yes, she is my sister.
Does she have a good character?
Does she have a good character?
Does she have a good character?
Yes, she is very kind.
Yes, she is very kind.
Yes, she is very kind.
Where does your son study?
Where does your son study?
Where does your son study?
At a big university.
At a big university.
At a big university.
How often do you wash your hair?
How often do you wash your hair?
How often do you wash your hair?
Interdaily.
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 How many children do you have?
How many children do you have?
How many children do you have?
I only have one.
I only have one.
I only have one.
Do they behave well?
Do they behave well?
Do they behave well?
Sometimes.
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 Do you like animals?
Do Do you like animals?
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like them a lot.
Yes, I like them a lot.
Yes, I like them a lot.
Do you know how to cook?
Do you know how to cook?
Do you know how to cook?
A little.
A little.
A little.
Do you like winter?
Do you like winter?
Do you like winter?
No, I don't like it.
No, I don't like it.
No, I don't like it.
Do you go out a lot at night?
Do you go out a lot at night?
Do you go out a lot at night?
No, I like being at home.
No, I like being at home.
No, I like being at home.
Does he travel a lot?
Does he travel a lot?
Does he travel a lot?
Yes, every month.
Yes, every month.
Yes, every month.
Thanks
For watching.